After spending the past week analyzing over 122 insurance agents, I finally realized why only 12% are making good money from buying leads. So in this video, I'll reveal the exact study I performed to realize what separates the top 12% of insurance agents from the 88% who just can't seem to grow their business by only buying leads. So in this video, I will reveal the exact results of the study I performed, what separates the 12% of insurance agents who are consistently growing their business from the 88% who are stagnant in their growth, and reveal the AI method that agents are consistently using to generate and convert more leads on a weekly basis. And without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. And by the way, if you're a business owner, I've actually opened up 3 more slots for one-on-one AI consultations with me. And as I mentioned, I'm accepting only 3 people per video. So if you're looking to grab your spot, just know that you can do that using the first link in the description. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the 122 insurance agents that I analyzed. And so right off the bat, you can see that many of the comment and posts that I sort aren't exactly positive, as we can see with the second comment over here, where an insurance agent is getting mad over lead companies not fulfilling their promises. And over here, I actually have the source, so let's go ahead and check that out. And so over here, let's actually just go ahead and check out the source firsthand. And here we can see that other people are saying some very similar things. They've been in sales for most of their lives, and they've never really found leads to work. And so that's just one of many 122 comments that I found over here, and people are sharing the same viewpoints. And so why I'm showing you all of these comments one by one endlessly is simply so we can lead into the map. So the typical agent is going to purchase around 100 leads, sometimes around 60 calls will be answered, and they will close around 10% of those, so maybe 6 deals. So now you might be asking, what do the top 12% do differently? And the simple answer is they don't just rely on buying leads. What I'm about to show you here are the results of an email campaign we just recently launched for ourselves, and time over time we've done this for insurance agents too. And so in simple terms, how we can define this email campaign is cold emailing. Now, cold emailing is just sending emails to people that you don't know so you can pique their interest and curiosity, build a relationship, and then sell them something. It's really that simple. It's the same thing you're trying to do when you're buying leads off of a random website. And even though this works mainly for B2B, we can see here that the results are pretty fair. So we started the campaign with just 1,080 leads, and we got a 15.8% positive reply rate, which means that we nabbed 6 opportunities for a total of $15,000 within just 7 days of launching our campaign. And at first thought, this might look very similar to buying and contacting leads. But what if I told you that you're actually in control of this whole entire process? And I totally mean it. From writing the offer that you want to pitch to businesses, to sourcing leads yourself, and deciding how exactly you want to send emails, this system is fully under your control, and it offers you the independence which buying leads does not. And so that's really one of the main things we've noticed when working with insurance agencies, is that having control over the systems that bring you business is probably one of the most important parts of actually running that business. And for those of you who are curious to see the exact 9-step framework that we use for ourselves and for other insurance agencies, I'm going to have this entire resource library below, so you can not only just access these directions and instructions, but also the exact resources, templates, and email copies that go with it. And to dive in a bit deeper into the process and show you how exactly this works, is we start off with a very similar step to as we usually would. We go ahead and we create an offer that stands out, which follows this specific formula here: the dream outcome plus the perceived chance of achieving something divided by the time taken and the effort or sacrifice. And ideally, you want to minimize these two and maximize these two. The next 4 or 5 steps are all about sourcing your leads, and this is one of the more lengthy processes. But if you want someone to guide you through this and give you some more specific info, as I said, feel free to book in a free 30-minute consultation using the link I dropped in the description. But essentially what we are doing is we are creating filters for leads. So we are narrowing down all of the people we can find online and basically pinning down a group of people that we can actually get clients from. So an example of this would be loan officers in California, Oregon, and Washington. The keywords would be mortgage, home loans, lending. As for the industries, we would have something similar, and then we would want to target specific people like the loan officers themselves. The next step here is actually scraping leads, and so this ties back to many other problems that are faced. So 82% of consumers are going to expect immediate responses to sales inquiries, and because most insurance agencies can't provide that 24/7 availability, generating leads through email actually provides you an opportunity to source those leads and send them emails at any time you want without feeling pressured to go ahead and call back people 24/7. And so how this lead scraping or sourcing works is you pick one of 3 platforms. For insurance agencies, I would typically recommend this left third of the box, which in other words is just a combination of LinkedIn Sales Navigator and one of these 3 platforms called Vane, AirScale, or Phantom Buster. And what those allow you to do in simple terms is to find people that would be good clients for for you and source their contact information, including their emails, first names, and whatever else you want. And this is totally compliant and legal as long as you're not using it for bad reasons. And after you've scraped those leads, now your job is to enrich them, qualify the leads, and prepare them for launch. And so depending on the platform here, you can take a deeper look when I drop this resource doc in the description. But essentially what you're doing is you're finding the people's emails and you're verifying the people's emails, because when we're sending them out, you want to make sure that the contact information you have is 100% correct, and by no means should you skip this. Moving on, what we have next is further preparation and organization. Once again, you can take a deeper look into here, and one of the final steps is your email sending setup and lead upload. Now this is actually something you can knock out while watching this video. It's super simple to set up most of this, and I can guide you through it. And so to put it simply, to send emails, we're going to have to use a specific cold emailing software which sends those emails and where we can store those leads, except it's not a CRM. Besides that, we also have to get the cold email inboxes themselves, and they're basically regular inboxes that you can have an affordable service set up for you. Or if you're actually working with us, a huge part of what we offer with our cold emailing systems is a completely free setup of mailboxes, with each domain costing around $15, so it's not rare to see people saving $200, $500, or even $1,000 on these kind of setups. But what I really want to draw attention here is this part of the statistic. In order to send around 1,000 emails per day, you're going to need 33 to 50 mailboxes, which costs you only $150 per month. And on average, even if 1 in 200 people converts and you're sending 1,000 emails per day, that's 30,000 emails per month, and with every 200th person converting, that would be a total of 150 conversions. So you can see how affordable this system really is. So instead of paying dollars, tens of dollars, or even something crazy that I've seen up to $130 per lead, you are now getting leads for pennies on the dollar, and you actually get a chance to control how you convert them. And so the next and final step I have for you guys over here is just going to be the copywriting. Now once again, I'll provide some of our best high-performing copy in the resources below, which you can use for yourself, so you're going to be able to get that running in no time. But when you're writing your emails, just make sure that the tone you're using is similar and believable to the people who you would speak on the phone to or in real life. And what we've noticed a lot of times is that emails don't have to be formal. In fact, they're usually better off casual and friendly. So instead of saying something like, "Hello, Mr. Marksman," you can say something like, "Hey, John," and that's usually much better. But besides that, there are only a few other tricks to note. And these things include campaign settings. So just very simply, you can be sending up to 7 days per week. There's no need to not send on weekends, but just make sure that the times you're sending during are actually reasonable. And the second and probably the most important piece of advice that I can give you is to reply ASAP. You convert 391% more leads by simply replying in the first 5 minutes. You can also get an AI system like ours which alerts you and then also replies for you. But the beautiful thing about cold email is that you don't have to burn a lot of money on your setup. And one of the many reasons for this is just the convenience of it. The platform that we use for sending our cold emails, called Instantly, has a feature called a Unibox. And basically what this does is it takes all of the email replies that you get, regardless of what mailbox it comes back to, and it drops this into this one combined inbox which actually has all of these replies. And so as you can see here, we had someone interested reply just recently, and it's in our United mailbox over here. And there are even things like a mobile app, so even if you don't have your computer on you, you can always just send a quick 1 to 2 sentence message within 5 minutes and get to that lead as soon as possible. And so going back to this slide, just imagine that only 10 minutes ago, you didn't even know what the top 12% can be doing differently. But now you do know, and you even have all of the resources below attached in the description. And while you're there, if scheduling that free one-on-one 30-minute consultation sounds like a good idea to you, you can still go ahead and schedule that too. Honestly, there's no reason not to, because you're going to get even more advice out of us there. But other than that, I don't want to hold your attention any longer, because I don't want this to seem like an overly complex or extremely difficult system to set up. Honestly, if you were to just follow the 9 steps I have outlined over here and put in some work, there's no reason that you shouldn't be generating positive replies. But if you're just interested in streamlining this process and even saving money on the setup along the way, go ahead and book that free consult. We'll see you there. But if you've stayed until the end of this video, I can clearly see you're committed, and I really appreciate you for sticking to the end of the video with me. If you like this one, make sure to hit the subscribe and like buttons and comment what else you'd like to see in the future. But otherwise, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.